everyone. We're here in Burbank on Magnolia Boulevard, and today we're going to be checking out Plush Puffs Gourmet handcrafted marshmallows. We're going to get a behind the scenes and a Q&A with the owner, Ann Hickey. So let's take a look.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. How long have you been in business? Like what got you started?
I've been doing this for about 15 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, this was started by a request from a sweet little boy from a customer whose son wanted to know if I could make pumpkin marshmallows.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah, and I was like, sure, I can do that, not a problem.
So what made you choose marshmallows over like cupcakes or?
Well, once I made these, I was pretty floored at how amazing a homemade marshmallow is. I just could not believe they weren't available commercially, or at least in more in bakeries or more readily available. So that's kind of where I was like, you know what, there's something here.
So can we get a sneak peek?
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, come and see how these things are made.
Awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about the process and how Amoretti's flavoring is incorporated?
This is our Strawberry Wild. It's one of our most popular flavors. The Amoretti is the flavoring that's kind of added after we get the whole marshmallow, bowl whipped up. And, towards the end, we have a mixture of some real dehydrated strawberry and some Amoretti. And it's amazing. The whole room fills with strawberry, and it's unreal, and everyone loves it. You can see what a beautiful color without any added color at all. It's all natural, doesn't add any additional sugars or anything.
Yeah.
It is clean and amazing, and my customers love it. Love it.
Do you ever sell out?
All the time.
Really? Give this a try. Oh,
All
this is
right.
going to be messy, but good.
A little bit.
Just a little. Wow. Yeah, that is delicious. So what is this that I'm eating?
You're eating our Strawberry Wild s'mores. I know, it's the bomb. Those flavors are so good together.
That is amazing.
So we just really have a great time with marshmallows here. I mean, they taste them and they're like, oh my gosh, these are amazing.
Yeah.
It's just so different than the experience they've had before with marshmallows.
Yeah.
And when we get some amazing flavors like from Amoretti, we're so happy. It's like I can know from the beginning to the end to the customer's experience, it's going to be exactly what I wanted. It's just good quality. Period. It's just there's just nothing like it.
And we want to thank you so much for having us today. It was awesome. We loved the behind the scenes and of course the Q&A and these delicious treats. I can't wait to dig into the others.
Okay.
But thank you so much for having us. We really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
All right.